In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to follow and like a Facebook business page. If you want to grow your page and reach more people, inviting your existing Facebook friends is one of the easiest ways to get started. This is especially helpful for newer business pages because it gives your page an initial boost using connections you already have. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your personal Facebook account. This is important because the invite feature uses your personal profile to send invitations to friends. Once you are signed in, navigate to your business page. You can usually find it from the left sidebar on Facebook, or you can search for the page directly using the search bar if that's quicker for you. After you find the correct page, open it so you are viewing the main page itself. Take a moment to make sure you are on the right business page, especially if you manage more than one. This helps avoid sending invites from the wrong page by mistake. Once you are on your page, look under the page cover photo for the action menu. In that area, click the three dots icon. This opens a drop-down menu with more page options. This is the tool Facebook provides for sending page invitations directly to people on your friends list. In some cases, Facebook may prompt you to switch to your personal profile before continuing. If that happens, go ahead and switch. That step simply ensures the invites are being sent from the correct account with access to your friend list. When the invite window appears, you will see a list of your friends. Check the boxes next to the people you want to invite. You can go through the list carefully and choose the most relevant contacts first, especially people who are likely to be interested in your business brand or content. Being selective can sometimes lead to better engagement than inviting everyone all at once. After making your selections, click Send Invites. Facebook will then send the invitations. And your friends will have the option to follow and like your page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.